guys, welcome back to Say More About That's Vlogmas 2020 and mental health tips and tricks. Today's tip is to practice healthy thinking. Having healthy thinking does not mean that you have to be positive all the time. Healthy thinking is more about accepting reality than it is about being positive. The biggest tip here is to notice thinking traps. So let me give you a few examples of what thinking traps look like. Example number one is bad things always happen to me. When we get stuck in this thinking of poor me, why does this always happen to me? Why do I have it so much harder than everybody else? That is a negative thinking trap. Another thinking trap that's very similar is all or nothing thinking. Either something is all good or all bad, and there is no in between. I like to think of this as the always or never. If you find yourself saying, this always happens to me, or I never get what I want, those are some key words that you can notice that you're in a thinking trap. Another key word would be should. I should do this or that, or other people should or should not do this or that. If you find yourself in a negative mood and you notice that your thoughts have a lot of shoulds in them, it might be time to take a moment and try to stop shoulding all over yourself and everyone else. The last one is jumping to conclusions. Thinking that you know what other people are thinking or doing without no factual basis. When we fall into these thinking traps, we can get into a very low mood. It can impact our self-esteem, our relationships with others, and our outlook on the day. It can really bring you down. If you notice that you're getting into a negative thinking trap, try to change your thought to a more positive thinking pattern and see if you can accept reality for how it is without jumping to a conclusion or telling yourself that these bad things are always happening or that nothing good ever happens to you. Check out my video on challenging your thinking to find out the 3 ways for you to start questioning your thinking traps. See you guys right back here tomorrow.